Welcome! In front of me I have Umidigi URUN watch, and I'm gonna show you how to enable and how to disable the Do Not Disturb mode on this device. First, we need to wake up the screen on our watch, and to do it simply press the upper button. After you wake up the screen, you can swipe down from the top of the screen to open the quick panel, and on this panel you should see the Do Not Disturb mode icon. This one, the one that looks like a moon. And to enable the mode, you can simply tap on this icon. It will tell you that the silent mode is turned on or on, and also the icon will change the color. It will be highlighted. This means that the Do Not Disturb mode is enabled. And once you're done, you can simply press the upper button to go back to watch face. And to disable the Do Not Disturb mode, you simply open the quick panel again, tap on the icon again. It will tell you silent mode off, and the icon will it's not gonna be highlighted anymore, it's gonna be gray. And again, you can press the upper button to go back to watch face. And that's how you enable and how you disable the Do Not Disturb mode on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.